Okay, so Leeds United 3, Southampton 0 at Leeds home. That was that was a very good game. End to end, really and truly end to end. But Leeds United created so many gilt-edged chances and threw them away. So many chances. Rafinha, dangerous player. Bamford grooming himself to become a solid centre striker. Really solid. And I've seen him doing some valiant defensive work. Really and truly. Really good game. Good goals as well. Beautiful free kick from Rafinha. I think the keeper could have done better still, but some really good goals, and it was really an entertaining game. I did enjoy that game, but it's so sad. And Southampton, they started off the season so well. They were actually way above Arsenal. At one point, people were saying, why Arsenal never look to use Hudson Holt as their manager. But see now what is happening now is that they are sinking. I'm not sure. I think it's the pressing system. They press so high and heavy. I think it takes a toll on their legs. And I think fatigue is really creeping in. And most of their players seems to be in the red zone. Could be a factor. But Leeds United are pressing and going extremely hard. Very good game from Leeds United. And I think that it really bring forward what the coach wants to bring forward on the field, what the players want, what he wants from these players, the one-touch movement and the high intensity. And Leeds, they don't seem like they stop at any point in time. So it's a really solid game, good win. They now move in front of Arsenal with goal difference, also with points differential. But it was really a good and entertaining game. So Leeds United 3, Southampton 0. And guess what? Military Guna TV, I am out.